Hey guys, thanks for coming back, and today I got the perfect Valentine's Day cocktail. We're making a Nutella raspberry cocktail. So to start off, just grab a saucepan and we're going to add 1.5 cups of half and half. And then to that, we're going to add our Nutella. I got a 1/4 cup here, or 32 grams. We're going to put this over medium heat, and we just want to let this simmer. We don't want to let this boil over. Just whisk everything together until it's nice and homogeneous. And we want to let this cool to room temperature. We don't want this piping hot. Now we'll go ahead, we'll bring this back, it's cooled down. I got my cocktail shaker here. And we want to fill this with ice, because this is going to be a cold drink. And then to our ice, we'll add our Nutella half and half mixture. And this is enough for 2 cocktails. And now we'll bring in the booze. We got 1.5 ounces of vodka. And I got some Bailey's Irish Cream. We'll add 1.5 ounces of that. If you want a little more alcohol, feel free to bump it up to 2 ounces. Put the lid on, give that a good shake. Now we'll grab the glass here, and we'll strain that mixture right into our cocktail glass. We'll go ahead and garnish that with some fresh raspberries. And that's my Nutella raspberry cocktail. Perfect for Valentine's Day. Your significant other is definitely going to love this. It's easy to make, it's sexy, and that makes it perfect for Valentine's Day. So I hope you enjoyed this cocktail recipe. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Really appreciate you watching. I'll see you next time.